Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you pool owners out there. The Raypak Heat Pump 8450 model with titanium heat exchanger. A pool heating solution that's making waves in the market. Stick around to find out why this is considered one of the best heat pumps for pools. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes the Raypak Heat Pump 8450 model stand out. This impressive unit is designed to heat your pool efficiently and economically, thanks to its innovative technology. At first glance, you'll notice its long-lasting and durable outer steel case. This robust build ensures that your investment will withstand the test of time, providing you with years of reliable service. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Raypak Heat Pump features a titanium tube heat exchanger. Titanium is renowned for its corrosion resistance, making it the perfect choice for a pool heat pump. This means you can enjoy a longer lifespan for your heat exchanger, reducing maintenance hassles. Another standout feature is the super quiet swept wing fan. Say goodbye to noisy pool heaters disrupting your peaceful oasis. With Raypak, you can relax by the pool without any annoying background noise. Of course, the most critical factor in a pool heater is its heating power. The Raypak Heat Pump doesn't disappoint. It boasts an impressive heat output of 140,000 BTUs. This means it can quickly and effectively raise the temperature of your pool to your desired comfort level. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, this heat pump is up to the task. It's suitable for various pool sizes and types, so you can enjoy a warm swim no matter the setup. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the best things about the Raypak Heat Pump is that it doesn't require any special hookups. The straightforward installation process makes it a hassle-free choice for pool owners. You won't need to break the bank hiring professionals for complex installations. With Raypak, you can save both time and money and enjoy your heated pool sooner. To give you a well-rounded perspective, let's take a look at what customers are saying about the Raypak Heat Pump. As you can see, customers are raving about this product. Many have experienced rapid pool heating, quiet operation, and overall satisfaction with their purchase. In conclusion, the Raypak Heat Pump 8450 model with titanium heat exchanger is undoubtedly one of the best heat pumps for pools available in the market today. Its durability, heating power, ease of installation, and positive customer feedback make it a compelling choice for any pool owner. So, if you're looking to extend your pool season, maintain a comfortable swimming temperature, and do it all with minimal noise and hassle, the Raypak Heat Pump should be at the top of your list. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with the Raypak Heat Pump, please leave a comment below. Until next time. Thanks for watching.